Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add shake and flash effects to your video on CapCut PC. So here I have already prepared my clips, and then what you need to do is just first click on the first video and go to animation, choose in, and then find the rock vertically animation. Okay, this one. Download it first and adjust it to around zero point 0.7 seconds and apply it to all of your clips. Okay, I'm going to apply it to the second clips and also the same duration and the last clip. Okay, after you apply the animation for all of the clips, you need to go to the effects, video effects, and then click on the nightclub tab and find the vibration flash. Add it to track, make it short and place it in between the clips. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here. Adjust the speed into 100. Let's preview the result first. So it will go like that. Then you can just copy it and apply it to all of your clips, in between the clips like this. And after that, you are done with the shake and flash effects to your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment and remember to click thanks, like, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.